In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subdomain in cPanel. If you want to organize different sections of your website, create a separate area for a blog, a shop, or a staging version of your site, setting up a subdomain is a simple and useful solution. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it inside cPanel in a clear and straightforward way. First, log into your cPanel account. This is the main control panel where you manage your hosting settings, domains, files, and other website tools. Once you're logged in, take a moment to make sure you're on the main dashboard so you can easily find the option you need. Next, scroll down until you see the Domains section. In most versions of cPanel, you'll click on Domains. If you're using an older version of cPanel, you may instead see an option called Subdomains. The exact label can vary slightly depending on your hosting provider or the cPanel version, but both paths are meant to help you manage domain-related settings. After that, click Create a new domain. This will open the form where you can add your new subdomain. Here you'll need to enter the subdomain in full. For example, if you want to create a blog section on your site, you would enter something like blog.yourdomain.com. Be careful to type the full subdomain correctly, because this is the address visitors will use to access that section of your website. You'll also be asked to set the document root. This is the folder on your hosting account where the files for that subdomain will be stored. In simple terms, it tells cPanel where the content for the subdomain should live. Make sure this location matches how you want your site organized. Keeping your folders clearly named can make future management much easier, especially if you plan to host multiple sections or projects under the same account. Once everything looks correct, click Submit. cPanel will then create the subdomain and connect it to the document root you selected. After the process is complete, your subdomain should be ready to use. As a final tip, if the subdomain doesn't appear to work immediately, give it a little time. In some cases, changes like this may take a short while to fully update depending on your server or DNS settings. And that's it! You've successfully created a subdomain in cPanel.